Kanban view of a test suite. For the selected suite, here are all the tests executed in your continuous integration system, classified by how likely is the error to contain a product bug, and displayed in a Kanban view. Kanban columns contain tests that requires some work. The goal is to perform the required work in the test screen that will be explained later. Press Triage Done, and it will transition to the Triage Done column. The column New Fail contains the tests that are failing the first time after several successful runs. These tests are likely to contain product, since it is considered a solid test that now is failing. In the column Fail are the tests that are failing and also needs to understand why it is failing. The list is sorted by priority, where the first one is more likely to contain a product bug than the second one. The New Pass column shows tests that is now passing, but it has constantly failed in the past. Here the related work probably is to resolve a product ticket or perform a deeper testing in the area, since a fix was done. Finally, the Triage Done column contains the tests already reviewed automatically by the system or manually by the automator engineer. Each card represents a single test and shows test group, that is the class name or group name where the test lives. Test name, the name of the test in a printable way. Information of triage icons help to identify actions and decisions you took in the previous triage. Hovering each of them will show the information entered in the previous triage. Or in the in-progress triage, you have saved some triage information, but you have not set the test as triaged yet. Related to product shows analysis about the test functionality. Automated test shows analysis on the automated test. Comment shows the comment added. Tick icon. This icon will show only if the test is being triaged and represents the progress. This is especially useful when a separate team assess product bugs based on automation failures. This Kanban view is completed with the summary section. In the summary there is information about the suite and actions to perform over the suite. Assignee, automator engineer assigned to triage this suite. Total test, how many tests are running in this suite. Tests pass, number of tests passing. Test skip, number of tests skipped. Triage deadline, when is expected to have the suite fully triaged, today, this week, etc. Hovering the deadline you'll see the due date and time. Finally, the stability index. This number indicates the health of the suite, considering also historical runs. Higher number, the better performance. Action buttons can be clicked, and it will show a confirmation dialog with the action explained. Triage suite button, make all the tests as triaged assuming skip options. It means you skip the analysis for next run. The second pull button brings new test runs from UCI continuous integration tool to tTriage. Skip run button, this action the run is considered invalid, and it will be discarded by tTriage. This is useful, for example, for cases where the suite execution failed due to an invalid setup, wrong suite configuration, etc. Finally, disable suite button. The suite will not longer be considered in the triage process. Generally those are deprecated, or suites that does not perform any test. The filter, sort menus and search help you get a more focused list to work on. Clicking on a test card will open a detailed test information page that will be covered in the following video.